Hi, my name is Andrea. I'm from Fawkes Farm Studio. We're getting ready to start our 12th year of the Summer Wine and Wool Festival here at Sandhill. Right now I'm in one of my neighboring fiber artist booths because she has beautiful colors. And today is not only a day for fiber art sales, but it's always a great day of celebration, getting time together with your tribe. Fiber arts, knitting, spinning, weaving community, we're a type group. We're always welcome to add more people in with us, but we're definitely family. And most of the vendors that are here this year, we've been coming back year after year. You're gonna find a mix of spinning fibers, yarns, a lot of accessories that go with it. You will find some finished goods. I sell goat milk soap that's from the goats on my farm. And you're going to find some people that are going to have like buttons, different accessories. You'll see a lot of shawls. Over here you'll see some finished goods. They're not always for sale, they're display, but because the vendor wants to show off their yarns and different patterns. But we're always eager to share our knowledge, to share our experiences, and everything that goes along with our passion. I'm considered a farm vendor. I'm pasture to product. So I take everything from the fleece right off the animal, or the milk, to the finished product, whether it be spinning fiber, yarn, or a finished good that's been knit, crocheted, woven. Many of the vendors here, they're indie dyers, so they do not produce their own yarn. They're purchasing it from another vendor, but then they use their talents in a different way, and they are able to spend their time dyeing these beautiful colors you see behind me. So it's a really great way to see just all the different processes that it takes to make those final goods. When you go to a store and you see a knit item and you see the price, a lot of times it's being done on a machine, or it's being done by someone in another country that's getting paid well under what they deserve to be paid. Sometimes people will come to these festivals and they have a bit of sticker shock, but they need to understand that everything we're making is by hand. It takes a lot of hours, just the raw materials alone, because we are taking it from that animal that's grown locally here in southwestern, southeastern, southern Michigan, depending on where you're at. I'm considered more southwestern. Some of our vendors have driven a couple of hours to be here. We have vendors coming from up in the Traverse City area. We have some vendors that have traveled all the way from Ohio because we love this venue so much.